Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Cloud App Catalog in Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps. The Microsoft Defender for Cloud Apps Cloud App Catalog provides a full list of over 31,000 discoverable cloud apps. Defender for Cloud Apps Discovery analyzes your traffic logs against discoverable cloud apps to give you ongoing visibility into cloud use, shadow IT, and risk posed to your organization. We use the Cloud Apps Catalog to identify the applications that fit into your organization security requirements. So I'll just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal. So when you are at security.microsoft.com, you scroll down to Cloud Apps, click on Cloud App Catalog. When you're on this page, now apps in the Cloud App Catalog are scored based on more than 90 risk factors. And then you will have to read more about it to identify apps covered by the catalog and how to use and customize the Cloud App risk scores. Here you can search for the applications, security risk factors, select factors, whatever factors you want to select, compliance risk factors that you want to select. So there is a risk scoring process. So Defender for Cloud Apps rates risk based on regularity, certification, industry standards, and best practices. The score represents the Defender for Cloud Apps assessment of this particular app's maturity of use of enterprises. The total score of any given app is a weighted average of subscores for the following risk categories. So risk categories are general, security, compliance, legal. Do this. And these are the categories of applications that are available. Now each subscore includes many more properties. Each property receives a preliminary score between 0 and 10 depending upon the value. So true or false value receives 10 or 0 accordingly. Continuous properties such as domain, age receive a certain value within the spectrum. Now the score of each property is weighted against all other existing fields in the category to create the category's subscore. So if I want to, let's say Microsoft Word Online, I click on this app. It says what it does. It talks about this. Suggest an improvement or a disclaimer. And here are the general or the security properties. And the compliance. These are the sub properties that I told you. The risk categories: general, security, compliance, legal. For example, I say legal category of this application. It means accounts for the regulations and policies in place to ensure data protection and privacy of the app user, such as TMCA and data retention policy. Okay. Now risk scores are kept up to date using some sources, which are the data automatically extracted from the Cloud App, data automatically extracted using advanced Defender for Cloud App algorithms, continuous analysis by the Defender for Cloud Apps analysis team, and the customer request. Now if you want to confirm Cloud App security risk, let's say you pick an app here, for example CRM. You'll hit enter after typing in CRM here. Let's give it a few seconds. Here they are, right? Microsoft Social CRM, Zoho CRM, all these CRM apps come into picture. And if you want to see advanced filters, just select this advanced filter toggle, click on this. It says category, hosting company, founded, and all the other factors. And when I do the advanced filter toggle, I want to add a filter. So if you say search for a filter, I would say compliance risk factor. Select a filter. Compliance ISO SOC 2 PCDI is 24 board. Then you select for security risk factor, or use ISO 2. Compliance risk factor SOC 2 equals to yes. Let's see what the result we get. Okay, now we add one more filter. It says compliance risk factor ISO 27001. Yes, the more filtration would be done. Okay, now you add one more filter. Security risk factor data at rest encryption method does not equal not supported. Then the more filtration would be done. 3 left. Now you select a filter security risk factor admin audit trail equals to yes. Now you add one more filter, security risk factor user audit trail equals to yes. Now these are the results. So review the filtered apps shown in the grid and check to see the apps you have the appropriate risk score for your organization. Right now, when you select an app, you expand it for more details. This is the 10, 10, 9 score respectively. Now, the recommendation is that you review the weights given to risk factors and risk categories when scoring a specific app. Now, if you'll see this, here you will see all the scoring. And if you want to customize the risk score, so by default, all the various parameters evaluated are given equal weight. If there are certain parameters that are more or less important to your organization, it's important to change them as needed. Now, if you want to go into the XDR, you go for select settings, okay, and then you can do it through here. You go to cloud apps, you click on discovery, you click on score metrics, and this is for each field or risk category. Slide the importance. Slide to change the weight of the field of the risk category. Importance can be set to ignored, low, medium, high, or very high. Medium, high, or very high. That is how you, and then when you are able to change it, then you can click on save. Okay. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.